Is supersizing your business like a drop in the ocean? Or the precursor to this idiom, a drop in the bucket? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Our idiom today is a drop in the ocean. This is, of course, a painting by my aunt of the Chippewa River, not an ocean at all, but you get the idea. This idiom actually has biblical references. It's in Isaiah 40:15, and it basically means that compared to the whole, the little bit is just a small, minuscule amount. It's trivial. It doesn't even matter. This applies to whether you're putting in a bucket, a river, or an ocean, right? So is supersizing your business just a drop in the bucket? Well, I'm going to contend that it kind of should be. It shouldn't be our whole life. I've had instances in my life where work, business was way more of my life than it should have been. It was way more important to me than just a drop in the bucket. And the older I get, the more I realize we need to have some sort of consistency, not balance. I don't necessarily believe in balance. I think there's times we work really hard. There's times we raise our family. There's times we do personal development. There's times we focus on our health. It depends on what's going on in our life. But we need to pay attention to all the different areas and aspects of our life, not be wholly and solely focused our entire life on one area or aspect. Rumi is also credited the 13th century Persian poet with saying this, that life, it is just a drop in the ocean, or that something is just a drop in the ocean, meaning whatever they're comparing the thing they're talking about to, it's just really kind of trivial and not a big deal. We think that every day of our life is like the most important thing on the planet. We have experiences that make us feel good or bad, and we blow them out of proportion. Sometimes we actually think about them for decades, or let them impact us for decades when, it was an event that happened for like 30 seconds when we were 10. So we want to make sure we're not doing that, carrying the past with us or fretting and worrying about the future, especially when we're growing and building a business, right? We're creating a business to make the world a better place. And that means we need to have a big picture perspective of where we fit in to everything else in the world, and know that probably what happens with our business, no matter how big it is, probably is just a drop in the ocean. All right, love to know your experience with this particular idiom. I've always said drop in the bucket, but drop in the ocean is, even a bigger visualization of the importance of things versus looking at the bigger picture. Share in the comments below your experience with this idiom, if you like it, you don't like it, etc. And I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to supersize and grow your business? Have an awesome day. Bye.